Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, this is my oscillator crystal based project. Here is the output frequency 1 megahertz and 999. The crystal is 2 megahertz. This schematic is simplest or super simple crystal based oscillator with J-FET transistor. Here is the transistor J309. You can use J310 or any other J-FET transistor, n-jfet. So when you change the crystal, the output frequency gonna be changed. As you can see, here is 1.999, like 2 megahertz. I'm going to change the crystal with the 6 megahertz, for example. Very well. 4 megahertz. Yeah, here is 3.9994. It will go up to 20 megahertz or more. And this one is the super simple J-FET transistor crystal based oscillator. The last thing that we should talk about is changing this changing this resistor 1.2K with the inductor coil, like 20 microhenry. It will work and the wave shape gonna be changed. I don't have the oscilloscope here to check the wave shape for, but if you are going to change the pulse wave, it's good enough to change the 1K ohm resistor here with the 20 plus microhenry conductor coil. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.